And welcome back to my channel, Chef Edward Cooking, and I'm going to show you how to make butter from scratch. So what you'll need is heavy cream and a little bit of salt. You can omit the salt if you like to have salt-free butter, but it always tastes a little bit better when you add a little bit of salt. So let's get started. And we have our heavy cream, we have our mixer. So what we're going to do is add our heavy cream to our mixer. Now we want to lock the mixer in. Important part so you don't make a mess. Just add the top on it. Now we're going to go and turn it on. So I have the speed at number 4, and we're going to let it go for at least a couple of minutes until it starts forming almost like a whipped cream. And then we're going to add a pinch of salt to it. And we're gonna let it keep on mixing until it turns into butter. It's very simple. And also, this is going to taste delicious on any type of bread. Okay, as you can see, we're at the whipped cream stage. We're going to keep on, let it whisk until it turns into butter. Okay, once we get to this stage, it's starting to turn into butter. But we're going to need to go and stop the machine and scrape the sides. Just lower it. Let's scrape the sides so you get butter everywhere. All right. Now, it's back on. Alrighty. Pretty soon it's going to be a nicely aired and whipped butter. Okay, so when we get to this point, I'm going to turn off the machine. I'm going to switch the attachment to a paddle attachment instead of the whisk. And we're going to continue whisking away. And we're going to make our butter. Okay, we got to our butter stage. So what we're going to do is take it off. I have a cheesecloth with a bowl. All right, we're gonna take the butter mixture right here. We're going to add it to our bowl with our cheesecloth right here. And we're just going to squeeze that additional milk that's in it. Because basically what happened was the fat and the heavy cream just consolidated together, and you're just left with buttermilk right now. So we're going to separate the buttermilk from the actual butter. You're going to squeeze it. So what I like to do is basically spin the cheesecloth and then squeeze. To get all that moisture out, all that buttermilk out. And there you have it. Now you have buttermilk, and now you have your fresh butter. And there we go. And there we have it. We have our freshly made butter. And also, we have buttermilk that we made from heavy cream. And now let's try it. It's a lot better than any store-bought butter. If you like to try recipes like these, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Now it's your turn. Thank you.